Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp video call voice problem on iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Turn on microphone. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Then scroll down and find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure microphone is turned on. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp. For that, open the App Store app on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the page. Now search for WhatsApp. Here, if any update is showing for it, update it. Solution 3. Reset the network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on General. In General settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm that you want to reset your iPhone network settings. Solution 4. Enable permission for camera or microphone. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Then scroll down and find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure that local network, microphone and background app refresh are turned on. If it is already turned on, turn them off, wait for a few seconds, then turn them back on. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.